What's going on, guys? Long time no see. It's been a while since I've been able to make a video, and the reason why is because we moved into a new place. It's kind of like unexpected. We were kind of looking, kind of not, and then this place became available, and obviously this was a selling point for me. So this is a huge upgrade compared to the one-car garage, if you guys remember that. Bear with me if it's super crazy loud in here because it's super windy, and I decided to do this video in a windstorm, so I guess whatever. If you thought that my garage was the video that I've been doing a lot of the truck projects in, you're absolutely mistaken. My actual garage was actually just a one-car garage, and there was like barely enough room. Actually, if you remember from my video of working on the Nova, which I'll get to here in a second, that was my garage, just a one-car garage, very limited space, and like when you were pulling car parts off, there was like no room to do anything. So to do a complete, restoration like this, it's stupid to try to do that in a one-car garage. So the big things are like the insulation board that's on the walls. Obviously that goes like pretty much all the way around. It's pink, I know somebody's gonna say that in the comments, and I actually wouldn't prefer any other color, to be honest with you. I know some of you guys are wondering what this thing is doing up on jack stands, but fear not, I haven't broken it yet. Actually, there's just like a loose bolt in the exhaust manifold, so it's just kind of rattling. It's super annoying, so I gotta fix that. But other than that though, everything on the Mustang is good. The only thing I'll probably do here very soon, probably the next video, is refinish the wheels that are on there. Okay, so the story for this thing is a little bit different. So we moved everything in on a Thursday, and the car remained at my old house until Saturday. And I had kind of forgotten that I had enough gas in the tank to probably make it here, but I freaked out and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more anyways. And then on Saturdays, the place where I usually get 110 gas is closed. So I was like, okay, maybe I can just blend in a little bit of 93, but the last thing I wanna do is to tow this. So I added a little bit of 93 thinking that, it would bring me to around like 100 octane, and this thing would not run. Like the moment I added 93 into it, it just immediately died, wouldn't idle. It just runs horrible now. So I got to drain all the gas out of it, get everything back to normal again. But obviously it's going to survive. It just needs better gas. Lastly, obviously we can't forget about the truck. It is going to live back here somewhere. So once I get that on a trailer and tow it over here, then obviously we'll be able to work on everything in one garage. But I do want to clarify, the truck is in perfect running condition, runs great, stops great, shifts great, everything. It's just that it is not street legal because we are still having a title issue. So, and with moving, that slowed everything down even more. So now we are still currently waiting on the title. Obviously, I don't want to take the truck illegally and then have it towed. So I know somebody who's got a car trailer, and it is going to be towed right back here. Okay, so as promised, I'm gonna take you guys around, show you everything. First off, obviously it's got a stove and it's got ductwork that, just kind of takes it to different parts of the pole barn, which is pretty freaking sweet. Of course, I had to get my America flag up there. And then all the way around on the walls, you have that pink foam board, sliding barn doors up front, its own separate service out here, which is nice. Plenty of receptacles. It's also very nice. Almost every post has a receptacle on it. Toolbox, little locker that was left up here. Plenty of storage for stuff. Massive workbench all the way across there. More storage up there, big rack. Got a lot of organizing to do. Of course, the Nova. But yeah, this is a massive upgrade compared to what we were working with at the last location. So this is gonna be awesome. I love it already. And I've only really spent today out here, so yeah. Also invested in a Eastwood MiG 135, haven't even used it yet. So I'm excited to be doing some body panels on the Nova here. If we look down low, you can see what I'm talking about right there. But yeah, this is a huge upgrade compared to where we came from. So there's plenty of storage out here. Oh, and there's a little loft area up there. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to update you on what was going on. There are a lot more projects to come, especially once we get the truck here, and then we're gonna order some body panels for the Nova, carburetor for the Nova, and then obviously we're gonna have some fun with this thing. So if you're not already, make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time.